Jakarta, Indonesia from the 2nd and 4th of July 2024 at the 2024 International Mayors Forum under the theme Accelerating Action at the Local Level to Achieve the 2023 Agenda and Sustainable Development Goals. Recognizing the critical role of urban and rural authorities in local sustainability, we affirm our commitment to transformative 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Amidst rapid urbanization, economic constraints, growing inequalities, escalating environmental challenges, and increasing frequency and magnitude of natural disasters. Our commitment. In line with the discussions held and the insights shared at the forum, we commit to fostering resilient, adaptive, and inclusive municipal environments amid a changing climate to foment prosperous local economies, ensuring that no one is left behind. Specifically, we pledge to identify and address key enablers or investment pathways for 6 SDG transitions: food systems, energy access and affordability, digital connectivity including artificial intelligence, education, jobs and social protection, and climate change, biodiversity, loss and pollution through enhance multi-level governance horizontally and vertically, support local action and resource allocation, thereby enhancing sustainable development through coordinated planning and institutional arrangements that effectively promote sustainability and equality across level, provincial and central government strategies. Local innovation, develop solutions that complement with and contribute to local sustainability trends, addressing low carbon and resilient development strategies, pursuing the resource efficiency and arresting inequality and social exclusion.
Thank you very much, Mayor Karachi. Let me now invite